Welcome back, Remodelites. I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and I'm here with Lee at CannaCon in Oklahoma City. And we're here to talk a little bit about Geo.
Right. Yeah, Good Earth Organics.
All right.
Straight out of Southern Oregon. Getting dirty since 2008. Been cannabis growers' favorite in our area for 12 years.
So I posted this the other day on my social media, and it confused a few people. Dave, do you... Who, me? Hell no. I'm weird enough. Can you imagine if I was... What happened was I was schmoozing with some kitchen and bath reps, like I do, and I talked to one of them and I mentioned that I wanted to start doing some segments on urban gardening. You know, the idea that you don't have to own a farm and plow the South 40 to grow your own vegetables, hydroponics, that kind of thing. And that person turned me on to a company called 4D Bios, and I reached out to them and I found out that they were exhibiting at CannaCon in Oklahoma this week, and I know this is a subject that interests my adult son, so I told him, hey, let's go. All right. Can you give me a brief overview of the history of the company?
Absolutely. Our founder, Roy Leon, started the company in 2008. It was purchased by Tim Clark in 2016. And I've been with the company since 2013. I'm the marketing manager. And yeah, we're here in Oklahoma, spreading our national vibes and getting everything for our new rollouts.
All right, and can you tell me just a quick overview of some of these products that we're seeing today?
Absolutely. So our Gaia's Gift is our outdoor grower's favorite. It is what we recommend for anybody that wants to have a super soil and use it. Cloud9 is inert for anybody who's growing, let's say, veggies at home, starting flowers, seeds, vegetable starts, things like that. You're getting your own garden going. And if you want to tailor your own feeding regimen, Cloud9 is the soil for you. Zen Blend is our most versatile formula. It gives you peace of mind when you're growing. It does have NPK, which is slow release and allows the foods to eat when they want. But it's also super drainage formula, which is a lot like Cloud9. So you can feed or water multiple times a day and keep things growing the way you want them to grow. Our new products are our 3-part nutrient system, the Veg Blooming Bricks, which are designed for home growers to be able to feed their products organically and increase the nutrient density of the foods that they're eating and therefore making themselves healthier.
Nice. Now, if somebody wants to pick some of this up, where can they go? What can they do?
All right, good question. So down in Ada, Oklahoma, our distribution partner, Tiger Stripes Genetics and Tiger Stripes Grow Supply, has these available by the bag, by the tote, and they have Boost on site as well, which is the refreshment amendment that anybody at home doing their garden can add in to create their own native soil, super soil, right? So it's just a simple one bag application, till it in, and all of a sudden your garden in your back is a super soil and you're growing like a pro.
Nice. And so far at CannaCon, what has been the reception for you? What do you think? And what have people been most excited to learn about, you think?
Well, that's a good question. We just did a seed planting seminar up in the seminar room, and we had about 180 attendees who all took home a seed plant, and we're still doing those now. So if anybody wants to take home a seed plant with them from Tiger Stripe Genetics, that's in Zen Blend, the Good Earth Organics soil, we're allowing people to do that, and it's a good seminar, and we had a great turnout, and it's just we're just happy to share the love with plants and soil and allow people to have an interactive experience that they can take home with them.
That's awesome. Lee, thanks for the interview.
Thank you. Appreciate all your time, David.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.